Welcome ulit sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng crispy shredded beef. And here are the following ingredients.
Ating first step, i-transfer natin yung beef strips dito sa bowl at isi-season natin ng salt to taste at pepper to taste. Then, i-add natin yung 2 to 3 tablespoon ng cornstarch. And make sure na well-coated ng cornstarch yung ating beef strips. After nating ma-coat, we will set this aside. Dito naman sa separate bowl, i-add natin yung 1/2 cup ng potato starch, yung 1/2 cup ng glutinous flour, i-add din natin yung 1/2 tablespoon ng baking powder, and using a wire whisk, haluin lang natin ito. Then, we can add 3/4 cup ng water. And we will mix this hanggang maging smooth and lump-free. After natin ma-mix, i-set aside natin. Then, dito naman sa ating pan, nag-preheat na ako ng oil. Yung ating beef, i-dip natin dito sa ating butter at ipiprito natin individually. Make sure na wag nyong i-overcrowd yung ating pan kasi magdidikit-dikit siya. Ipiprito lang natin to hanggang maging golden brown at crispy. Kapag ganitong golden brown na, ita-transfer na natin sa ating plate lined with paper towel para lang ma-absorb yung excess oil. Using the same pan, nagbawas lang ako ng oil, igigisa natin yung sibuyas. I-half cook lang natin itong paggisa ng sibuyas. Ready na yung ating sibuyas, pwede na natin i-add yung bell pepper strips at continue lang natin ang paggisa for about a minute. And ready na yung ating sibuyas at bell pepper. I-add na natin yung 2 tablespoon ng soy sauce. At i-add na rin natin yung 3 to 4 tablespoon ng water. Yung 1/4 cup ng brown sugar. And haluin lang natin ito. And pwede na rin natin i-add yung 2 tablespoon ng ketchup. And again, we will mix it. And lastly, i-add natin yung 1/4 cup ng vinegar. Huwag natin haluin to, hintayin lang natin tong kumulo. So this one's been simmering for 2 minutes. Pwede na natin i-add yung cornstarch slurry. 1/2 tablespoon ng cornstarch, dinisolve ko lang sa 3 tablespoon ng water. Dahan-dahan natin itong i-add hanggang mag-thicken yung ating sauce. Yan, pagka ganitong malapot na yung ating sauce, pwede na natin i-add yung fried beef. Hahaluin lang natin to na make sure na well-coated ng sauce yung ating beef. And this one is ready for serving. And there you have it, our crispy shredded beef, best served with rice. Sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.